Hello friends, I'm Tejas Gandhi wishing all of my viewers a very happy new year, a very happy 2021. Guys, this is my first video of the year 2021 and my goal is to upload at least 5 videos every single week. Yes, every single week. I know I have not been uploading videos consistently because for a couple of reasons, basically because I have had health related issues. At the same time I was overloaded with my work schedule and all those stuff, and quite a few other things were going on, so I was not able to record and upload videos consistently in the year 2020. Now mind guys, but because this is now 2021, a new year and a new beginning, guys. So without delaying further, let us see what topic we are going to discuss in this particular video. Guys, around 3-4 years back I created a video on PDF Escape, how to use PDF Escape, and if you have not yet watched that video, that it will be somewhere here or here at the top. You can click on that I button and watch that video. And what I'm going to do in this particular video is I'm going to answer each and every questions that were asked in that video in the comments section by all of my viewers. So let's get started. Okay, so here now I'm on my computer screen, and let us look at the questions that are asked. So what I've done is I've combined the similar kind of questions as one single question. So for here you can see like how to edit text which is already there, or using without whiteout, how to edit the text color, change the font, change the text background, etc. So let us look at this first. Now let me tell you one thing, that if your PDF document already has the text, you cannot edit that text directly. So let us try doing something like, if you can see here, there are two options: hand scroll mode and text selection mode. Okay, so I'll just go to the text selection mode. I'll just drag and drop. This will select my text, and what I'll do, I'll press Ctrl C. Okay, now I'll disable this. I'll go and select the text option to add the text. I'll click here. And I'll just a moment. Paste it. So the existing text can be copied and pasted. So suppose if there is something here, if you want, by the way, these are the two different PDF that I have uploaded, no connection to it. But suppose if there is a document which has multiple pages, and if there is a heading only on one page, and second page, third page, subsequently you want to add the same heading with the same font and everything, so we can just copy and paste the existing text that is there on the form. I'll just Ctrl X, press Ctrl X. Now I'll go to the next page. I'll select the text option and I'll just drag and drop, and I'll create that area and press Ctrl V to paste it. Now once I've pasted, what I'll do is I'll just adjust this text. See, if I'm further narrowing it down, it is getting wrapped. The text is getting wrapped, word wrap basically. But see, now I want to, so I'll do this and I'll move and I'll place it at the top. Now here you can see the wrench icon. Click on that. That will open up the object properties. Now see, the alignment is on the left. I just want to make it center. Character spacing, I want to make it say 5. And line spacing is okay, 1. I'm increasing that by 1.2. Okay, and I'm hitting the OK button. See, what you have done is you have edited the existing text which is already there. Now if you go directly and try to copy or try to edit this text, you cannot do it. So you have that text selection mode. You have to turn it on by clicking this. Select this. Let me show you something else, like selecting and copying, pasting another something else. See, now I want to place it over here, this thing, signature, date and place. So now I'm just highlighting it and leaving it. Now this will select all this 3 text, signature, date and place. I'll just Control C, press Control C. I'll click here to disable it. Wherever I want to paste it, I'll just select the add text option. I'll drag and create the area and I'll hit Control V. Now I just have to format it. Okay, date, I have to give space, and then I'll just hit enter over here. So now I have this thing. All the 3 text copied from here. I have the same editable text over here. Now, so what happens is, now go to this wrench icon, hit this wrench icon, open the object properties, and this object properties, I'll increase the line spacings by 5. See what happens, and hit OK button. Okay, this is too much. Again, I'll go back, click on this wrench icon. Instead of 5, I'll just make it 2. Hit OK button. Perfect. So this is how you can copy, paste existing text. Now another question was, how can I edit existing text without using whiteout? Now see, editing is how editing is possible. First of all, if there is such text here, I mean on the PDF itself, you cannot edit that text without using whiteout. Even if you use this option that I have showed here, I'm just selecting and Control X, I'm cutting it over here, and I say I want to overlap it over here without using the whiteout tool. So as I showed, I just created the box, pasted this. Okay, now I'll go select this, or even without selecting, I can just open the object properties. I can have line spacings to 2 and hit OK button. Now see, basically what happens, you can create a replica of existing text, no questions, perfectly, that can be done, but it has a transparent background. So without using whiteout, you cannot edit the existing text that is already there on the PDF document. So now I'm using this whiteout. I'll disable it. Now I'll drag and drop. Now see, this, my whiteout layer is on the top, the text layer is at the bottom. So I'll select my text layer, click on the right mouse button and bring the object to the front. So now my whiteout is at the back and this text, pasted text. One benefit of doing this, if you would say that, okay, why the hell should we do this entire long process when we have this? First of all, as I showed, if you have a header on page 1 and if you don't have header on remaining pages, you can do this, right? Second thing why you would want to do is, Say for example, you want the signature date and place as a bold, but since this is not editable, sorry, this is not editable. See this one, this is not editable. So I created a replica. Now I'm selecting it. I'm making it bold. I am increasing the font size. Okay. See, I'm just expanding the box, right? And if at all I want to change the color, that also I can do. I'm selecting the blue color from here. Okay. So now my text is edited. So now again I'll use this whiteout option to white out or hide this text. I'll disable this whiteout object and I'll bring this on the front. See. Okay, so this is how you can edit the existing text. But remember, as I said, if you want to overlap, just like what we did over here, you cannot do it without using the whiteout option, because by default the edited one, the text is transparent. I mean, it has a transparent background, and as you can see, there is no option to fill or change the background. Even if in the object properties you don't see the option that to change the background color. So since it is transparent, I have to first I think I deleted that whiteout. Okay, I'll do it again. By mistake I deleted it. Yes, I have to white out and move this object to the front and then adjust it. Okay. Another thing is like how to undo. Okay, this is the fourth point. I'll show how to undo in a few minutes. Another thing is that how to make this. Suppose if I want to type something, insert a name. Say for example, I want to my name over here. Okay. Now I want to add my address to it. Okay. Now I want to add city, state, zip. See, all this information I've already entered, and I saved and downloaded the document. Now, once you save and download the document, this text won't remain editable. But suppose if you want to create a form and send it over as a editable PDF document. So I'll show you how you can do that. First of all, I'll just see, somebody had asked how to undo. Point number 4. See, here you have two arrows of redo. The arrow that is forwarded, it is to redo the last action, and the reverse one, it is to undo the last action. So I just want to undo this. Okay. So now let us create add the editable fields to this form. So I'll use the option that says form filled inside the insert tab. So I'll just click and select the form field. This will open up a dialog, and from the field type, it will give you number of options like text paragraph, checkbox, radio button, drop down list box, reset button, and the submit button. So for the name, I want to have a text instead of any other field type. So I'll just select the text and hit the select button, and I'll just drag and create this text area over here. I mean text box over here. I'll just adjust the alignment. If I want, I can just reduce the height and width of the field. Okay, so now let me just, okay, this looks good. So now I'll just have it, and I'm just moving it a little bit to align. So we saw the object properties previously. So here also click on this wrench icon to open the object properties for this form field. I can name the field. This is field is name. Now there are other options. Print, as it suggests, like if you want to print this particular field, then you can keep this box selected. If you want to make this field read only, keep check mark this read only option. Visible, again required, multi-line, password, maximum length. So maximum length I want to make it 50 50 characters long. I want to make the alignment, by default it is left align. If you want to center align or right align, you can do it from here. Rotation and all those options. So now I'll just hit on OK button. Now I want city, state and zip. I'll just click on this and I'll duplicate this object. See, now I can just adjust, again duplicate, and then again align it and adjust the length, again duplicate and resize and align. Now for area, address, I need a text area, so I'll just select this form field again. From the drop down I'll select paragraph text, hit select, and this paragraph text will be somewhat like this. Okay, so okay, now these are like, I'm just aligning it a little bit, I'm not doing it perfectly, just this is for the demo purpose. So the same way you can create the remaining fields, and I'll just save this document and click on this download button, and I'll click on the download button, say application form 1, and I'll open this document, show in the folder, and I'll open it with Adobe Reader. Okay, now see, these forms are now editable. You can add text to it. So I'll just add my name, address, city, I'm from Surat, Gujarat state, and my zip code, whatever, and I'll just hit on this save icon, or I'll click Ctrl S and I'll save this form, say 1A. Okay, and I'll hit the save button. I'll close this form now for now, and now I'll open this form 1A. Let us see whether our values are updated or not inside this editable form. So let's see again. Okay, Control S, I'm saving and updating it, the same document, and I'm closing it. Okay, form 1A, yes, I want to overwrite it, and this is done. Come on, so let us see what is next. How do I change drop down menu text? Now I don't understand exactly what drop down menu text this viewer has asked, But if it is something related to the form field, let me show you creating a drop down. Okay, say creating a drop down over here. Object properties, allow custom sort option. Okay, I don't want to touch anything here. Drop down, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Okay, and I'll hit OK button. So now if I'm saving this and downloading it, see, now this time I'll name it form number 2. Let's see. That's the form number 2. Okay, let me open it. Adobe Reader. So guys, this is how, like, see, okay. Option 1. One mistake I did. You know what? I have to resize this. So sorry for that. See, I have, for example, say place of birth, and I have options. Then it's just like I'll just close this. And I'll download it again, and then I can open it. Okay, so form number 2, where is it? Okay, over here. Okay, so let us again open it with Reader, and I guess this time it should be properly formatted. Yeah, see. Okay, just closing it for now, not saving it. Let's move to the next question. I need a copy of the letter format in bold on my form. Sorry, what was next is how can I edit the same letter formats? Now this question is not at all clear to me, so I'm just skipping this question. So whosoever has asked me this question, please, if you are watching this video, then please elaborate so that I can answer your question. Next is how to undo. I already showed you how to undo and redo both the options. Okay, next is I need to copy the letter format and bold on my form. Is there a way it can be done? Yes, of course. I showed you in the very first thing when I let me disable it. When I copied this text and I pasted it, I showed you how you can format it: bold, italics, underline, change color. Okay, or even change the font, maybe increase the font size, maybe decrease the line between, line height basically. Say 1.5. Let's see. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, see, this is how. I'll reduce this thing and bold it again. Okay, so this is how you can format the text. How to type in other language. Honestly speaking, I don't think that PDF Escape has option of typing in any other language besides English. So I tried to find it out. I researched, but I couldn't find the answer to this question, honestly speaking. So, and also inside the PDF Escape settings and nowhere I'm seeing the option that you can type in any other language. But definitely if I find answer to this question, if at all there is an option of typing in other language, I'll definitely get back to you. Next is there any way how to save what you type so that you can work on it another time? Yes, but there is a limitation. Say for example, I am selecting this text and I am adding the text. Sorry. This text is added manually in PDF Escape, okay, and I'm saving this document. Fine. So now what happens, see, I'm opening PDF Escape in another tab where my document is not loaded. This document is not loaded, another instance is started. So what happens, see, PDF, you can inside PDF Escape you can create a free account. So as you can see, I am already logged in. Now if you want to access whatever you have typed last time, after you close the PDF, you need to create a free account. And when you even this account, this is my demo account, which is a free account, and I'm logged in using that account. So if I, after logging in, if I click on my account option, it will show you the option to view recent files. So when I click on this, either by clicking on view recent files or by clicking this icon recent, see this application form. Now when I'm opening it, you can see that this text, this is the text which I had added. So now you can edit it. Now since this is again open over here, let me refresh. See, because it was edited, because this is the same document edited, so this, but there is a problem. Now inside a free account, there is a limitations where you can access your existing recent documents for a limited period of time. I'll come to it in a few. After addressing all the questions, I'm going to come to that options also, like what are the various different options available with PDF Escape, free and paid. And by the way, let me make this thing very clear that this is not the sponsored video by PDF. So this video is not at all sponsored by PDF Escape, and the only sole purpose of doing this video is because my viewers had asked questions in my previous video, and that video I'll add a link somewhere over here or here. You have to click the I button and watch that video if you have not watched that video till now. So the sole purpose is to answer the questions of my viewers that they have asked after watching that video of mine. Okay, so next is, what is the next question? Okay, I showed when we have a save page, a checkbox was not saving and box was empty. Yes, maybe what happens is, see, you selected a checkbox, okay, and you added a checkbox over here, here, here. Now these are the checkbox. Now suppose I opened that object property, checked value is checked or circle or whatever. Export the value. See, value inside this checkbox, if this value, this is not set to yes, it won't export the value. So when the checkbox is checked, it will not show the check mark if the value is not exported. See. Now what I'm doing, I'm editing the properties and I'm changing the exported value from yes to no for this checkbox. Okay, this I'm deleting. Now I have two checkboxes, one which is circle. The object property has the export value set to yes, whereas this checkbox whose object property which is type is check, export value is set to no. Okay, so now let us save this and download this. Export 3 or checkbox. Sorry. So now let us open this form. Oh, even if it is set export to no, it is exporting the values. Now I had used in the past where when I had set this value to no, it was not exporting the value, but maybe for whatever reasons it is exporting the value. So I don't know, I'm not sure why the checkbox when the page is saved was not saving the value and the box was remaining empty. So you need to just check what in the object properties what they were set. Next is it possible to move the sentence from the original, like what I'm trying to say from exam. Page number 1 has a paragraph, but the paragraph ends at the page number 2. So my question is it possible to move the sentences on page number 2 which belong to the same paragraph on the page 1? Is there any copy paste option? Can I somehow cut, move and relocate the original document? Yes, sure. The answer to this I have already showed over here. Say, I used this heading and I pasted it over here. So suppose if you have a paragraph starting on page 1 and that paragraph has 2 to 3 lines of text on page number 2, so you can use the same technique of selecting a PDF text tool, then selecting, copying and pasting using the text option on the page 1. This way you will move the text from page 2 to the page 1, but you need to white out those lines that are there on the page number 2 which you copied and pasted on page number 1. You need to just remove them from page number 2. That's it. So the last is cropping the whole page is possible. However, cropping a particular line or letter is not happening. Error, crop area too small. Yes, you are not able to crop a very small part of the page. See, I'm clicking on this page tab and I'm selecting this crop option. Now see, the moment I select the crop option, the view is set to the entire page. Now what happens is, suppose if I'm trying to crop only this part, because I don't want this bottom portion. See here, I can do that very easily. But suppose if I'm trying to crop a small portion from here, page area, crop area is too small, please try again. This means that in order to crop a document, pdfescape has some minimum requirement parameters with respect to the height and width of that cropped area that has been selected. Now I did check on their website, I did check elsewhere also, but I was not able to find those parameters, those minimum parameters that is required in order to crop a particular piece of content. Say for example, this particular text I want to crop, or a word, I cannot do that. So I have already posted comment to pdfescape on their website, and I have requested them to provide me the parameters that is required, minimum parameters that is required for cropping a piece of a text or a piece of a page. And yes, definitely, if I get answer from them, if they reply me back, I will definitely update and mention that in this video, somewhere in the form of an overlay text or whichever way, for you guys to understand the minimum requirement, parameters requirement for cropping of a document. But as of now, I have no idea that what are the minimum width and height parameters needed for cropping. That is something you need to do yourself by trying and testing. See, I cannot do this. Okay, let me try this. No, let me try, say this. Yes, now I can do. And see, bottom pixels, say 200. If I'm saying this, okay, so you just need to just play with it and check what exactly is working and what exactly is not working for you in order to crop the document. So guys, that's all I have covered. I hope all of your questions, and suppose by mistake if I have missed any questions, do let me know in comment section of this video and with your questions. And other than that, those questions that I have not covered, or those questions which were not asked in the previous video, definitely you can put it inside the comment section and I will be definitely answering them all. Next is coming to the pricing. As I said, pdfescape has free and premium pricing model, free and paid basically. So as you can see, the very first option is always free, that they say. Okay, the next option is the premium, and the last is ultimate. Now they have two different pricing option. One is monthly and one is yearly. So if you, in both the cases, free is always free, so no questions about the free version. But of course, there are limitations inside the free options. I'll come to that in a few minutes when we look into like features comparison of all the three pricing options: free, premium and ultimate. Okay, so now let us look at the prices. Free is always free. Premium is $5.99 per month, billed monthly, because this is the monthly pricing. Ultimate is $8.99 every month. You can also, by the way, I'll add a link to in the description below about the pricing page and the features comparison page. You can go through them all and just give a try for a month if you want at all. If you are not if you have a free account, or if you want to create a free account but you want something more out of PDF Escape, and if you want to give a try to a premium or ultimate option, then you can definitely start a free trial. Okay, so $5.99 per month, $8.99 per month, and it's the same if we look at the yearly mode. It is $2.99 per month billed annually, and this is $5.99 per month billed annually. Okay, so now next let us look at the features comparison. That they have, as I said, and as we saw, they have three options: free, premium and ultimate. The online version or the web version, which I showed you or I used in this demo, this particular video, is the web version, which is, they say, online version. Edit PDF online, free, premium, ultimate, everything. In all the three plans, they allow to edit PDF online. Fill and save PDF form. Suppose if you already have a form that has a PDF forms with the editable fields, you can fill and save those forms inside PDF Escape in all the three options. Create the basic PDF forms online. Review and annotate the PDF documents. Save your work to PDF Escape servers. Print and save as PDF without watermarks. So even inside free option, if whenever you print and save the PDF document, there won't be any watermark added by PDF Escape, and which is in itself awesome option. Trust me guys, I have not seen many tools in the world where the free option is not watermarked. Lot many tools are available there for video making or video editing and whatnot, but inside, and of course all of them provide a free option, but 9 out of 10 times I've seen that they add watermark when you are accessing or when you have signed up for the free account. So of course this is a very great tool, no questions, but I would definitely applaud and give shout out to PDF Escape team and the company to not to add a watermark, basically, even with the free account holders. Download and modified PDF to your computer. We saw all these options. And add free interface, which is not there in a free account. So I'll show you what. See, here you can see this advertisement. Just below this PDF desktop small ad, there is McAfee antivirus advertisement over here. So this is, of course, it is free interface, with free account. The interface is not ad free, but with premium and ultimate you won't see any ad, the interface. Publish form and collect responses. With PDF account, free account and premium account, you cannot publish forms and collect responses. That is available only inside ultimate plan. Next is maximum file size is 10 MB with free account, 40 MB with premium and ultimate account. Maximum pages per file, which is restricted to 100 pages for free account holders, 1000 pages for premium account holders, and 1000 pages also for ultimate account holders. Maximum stored files, 10 files. For free account holder, premium has like 100 files and ultimate also has 100 files stored. Now what does this mean? I'll show you. Recent. here, if you look at here, this files, there are maximum 10 files that is stored for free account holder, and for premium and ultimate the number increases up to 100 files. So this kind of 100 documents you can access from the recent tab, clicking on the recent tab basically. Okay, the last is recent file history. One of the question was asked that which I already addressed, that if we had added some text, we used this recent document option to open it and access that edited or newly added text inside the PDF escape. So here with free option, this history remains only for 7 days, whereas with premium it remains for 30 days, and with ultimate account there is no expiration at all. So your recent document won't be expired, it won't be deleted from here. So this is the comparison of all the three plans for the online version. The desktop version, again they have a desktop version also which you can download for free and install it. Again they have free, premium and ultimate. You can create a PDF from 300 different file types inside all the three packages, print file to PDF, all three packages, view PDF for all three packages, edit PDF on your desktop. This is something not available with the free account. So you can just go through all the different, I don't use the desktop version to be honest, but I had tried it in the past and it was okay for me. I mean, it was good. If somebody wants to use it, they can definitely download it and give it a try. So you can just go through the different options over here, what they offer in free, premium and ultimate account, and then you can decide on whether you want to go for a paid plan or you want to continue using the free plan. Again, I would like to reiterate over here that this is not the sponsored video that I'm creating. So this video is not sponsored by PDF Escape. Also, I am not affiliated. I mean, I don't have any affiliate account with PDF Escape. So it's not that I'm trying to sell something just as an affiliate product of mine. This video is purely, as I said before, is to answer the questions of my viewers of the previous video of PDF Escape. Guys, that's it for now. I will end this video, and if you have watched the video so far and if you have liked what I have shared with you, please do consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified very first whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you have liked this content, please don't refrain from liking and sharing this video. Also, if you have watched my first video and if you have not subscribed, still I would request you to subscribe to my channel and like the video, hit the bell icon to get notified immediately with the new video I upload. And if you have liked the content, then please like and share it with your friends. With this, I will end this video. Please do insert a comment, comment inside the comment box and let me know how did you like my video. And that's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day and God bless, and stay safe everybody in whichever part of the world you are. God bless you all. Love you all. Jai Hind.